Okay, in your level 2 fly change assignment, you can use a pole. When you put the pole down, have it pointing diagonally towards, across from barrel to barrel. Okay, so it's across. When you start out, just do your simple lead changes as normal to warm them up. And trot over this pole. When you get to the pole, change position just like you're going to do at the canter. There, out that way. Okay, and make sure it's best to hit this pole at a bit of an angle. Okay, we're going to go out here and speed him up a little bit. Out our gate. Let's get him travelling a bit better. Okay, get some speed on here. Now you would have done about 30 seconds of gallop out here. Then you'll come in. Don't slow up too much. Change. Ooh. Speed up again. In direct rein. Line it up. Over the pole. 2. Direct rein. Direct rein. Keep going, buddy. A little bit lazy on that one. Ooh, buddy. Okay, so remember to keep your focus right over here. When you're coming in on this rein, as soon as you get to this pole, change directions, go the other way.